Ladies and gentlemen,
you're rocking with the best.
I got the juice.
What's up, guys? This your girl Shay from Got the Scoop, and we're about to get into your girl Asian Brat getting taken off for King Von's song Trust Nothing and replaced with MoneyBagg Yo. Before we get into that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you're supporting the channel. So today, King Von's album What It Means to Be a King dropped today, and people have noticed that Asian Brat was taken off of the song Trust Nothing and was replaced by MoneyBagg Yo. How do we know that she was supposed to be on it? If we go back to this video, you can clearly hear Asian Brat rapping her verse to the song. Listen to it. The album dropped today, and we see MoneyBagg Yo's on it. People actually feel like Asian Brat verse is way better than MoneyBagg Yo, and they want to know why was she replaced. Like, what's the problem? What's tea there? Asian Brat obviously wants to make sure everything is not about her and everything is focused on King Von. She went on the internet and she wrote, "Please don't make today about me." Okay, let's get into this. I want to know, why is everybody always taking Asian Brat off the fucking songs? Like, that's something that's really getting on my nerves, because Asian Brat is so talented, and when they be taking her off these songs, she be having better verses by her so-called replacements. Like, let's get into it. What's tea? When Asian Brat was taken off of Megan Thee Stallion, Do It On The Tip, she had a better verse than all the girls. And it's just like, it's giving haterade. It's like really giving blackball. Like, I know Asian Brat get on the internet, she talk her shit, she get into stuff, but when it comes down to the talent, when it comes down to her going in the booth and writing bars, like, nobody cannot say nothing about it. And I guess some people fail to realize that Asian Brat is one of these type of rappers that can go in the studio right today and make some crazy shit. She don't need weeks, she don't need months, you feel me? And I just feel like that shit is so fucked up. Like, I don't know why they always try to erase like the legacy and the chemistry and the history between Asian Brat and King Von, because even King Von have a song that he talked about Asian Brat on there. The song Hard to Trust featuring Dreezy, yes, that song is about Asian Brat and their experience. And what also is so crazy, that song confirms one of the stories Asian Brat talked about. Asian Brat went on IG Live one day and she talked about, yo, I was inside the bed one day with King Von, and he was like, the boys is outside and grabbed my gun or whatever like that. We're about to get into the video, but inside the song, he literally talked about everything she said in the live. Let's get into it.
He only got his drawers on, no shirt, no socks, just drawers. Bro, he run up the stairs, bust through the door. He like, Ma, the face outside. Bro, my heart just dropped. Like, you understand, I ain't know we were finna get in the shootout. I ain't know if I was finna have to, he was finna give me the blick to just start shooting. I ain't know what was finna go on. Only thing I knew, bro, is what I was riding. Like, I didn't know what was going on. Like, at that moment when he said, he didn't even say the feds, he said the boys outside. But I'm not knowing he talking about the police. I'm thinking he talking about some niggas, like, cause how he was, like, it was wartime, bro. Like, y'all ain't never, if y'all ain't never been in a situation, bro, I would never want y'all to be in a situation, especially if y'all not built for this. Cause it's like, bro, that nigga was like panicking. So I see two guns in his hand. That's why I thought one of them was for me, like, to get, I'm like, oh, we finna really have to do this? Like, and it's just us in the crib, bro. Matter of fact, it was the auntie. The auntie was downstairs, but she was like...
So, that was confirmed. I also feel like if he have a song on the album talking about her, like, why you couldn't even let the girl have a song on the album with her man. Like, we're not gonna get into that, oh, she wasn't with him before he died. And listen, we already know the vibes. We're not gonna do that. Y'all don't do that to Jada. Y'all don't do that to other people in the industry. You'll be like, yeah, that's the nigga. So we're not gonna do this, okay? And I'm just tired of people really taking Asian Brat off of these songs when this girl is talented. She's just a Sagittarius and she don't give a fuck. Like, Asian Brat have that tough skin. Like, I guess if Asian Brat was a yes man and would be, you know, with these labels, rules, and going against people, they will like her more. But since that she's so hardcore, she's so raw, and she sticks to what she believes in and don't let people persuade her inside certain situations, it's gonna make it hard for her in the industry. But when it comes down to rapping, I want them to literally start paying attention to this girl raps and see how quickly she's able to maneuver and make some bomb ass hits. Versus, you know, y'all trying to be shady taking her off, because y'all taking her off is really making y'all look crazy. Because why did she have the, you know, the verse first, and why it's always a takeoff situation? So let me know what y'all think below. Do you think that Asian Brat should have been kept on that song? Do you think that they need to stop playing on her head top and stop sending her verses just to take her off, just to have the headline like such and such took her off the song? Like, come on, let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you share. Thank y'all for fucking with me, because I fuck with y'all. Until next time, bye.